Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Pinterest. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your sign-in details and sign in into your Pinterest account. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, Search, Create, Inbox and Save. You have to go to Save, then on the top left corner, you can see a user icon. Tap on it. You have to scroll down and find Help Center. You can go to Help Center. It might take a few seconds. Then you can see you can ask them anything. If you don't want to go through this hassle, you can directly email them. You just have to type in support@pinterest.com, then give your subject. For example, I'm writing this mail to issue with claiming my website on Pinterest. Then you have to give a description and state your problems clearly and hit send. And guys, that's it. That's how you contact Pinterest from your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.